Hello everyone. Welcome to the Bhopal News. Maharashtra Real Estate Regulatory Authority's chairman Ajoy Mehta's Nariman Point apartment, which has come under the income tax scanner for alleged Benami transaction, was sold to him by Nikhil Ketan Gokhale, director of Anamitra Properties Private Limited, official records show. Gokhale is on the board of at least 7 entities promoted by Pune-based businessman Avinash Bhosle of ABIL Group, who is being probed by the Enforcement Directorate under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act in a case pertaining to purchase and construction of a commercial building in Pune on a plot meant for house for bureaucrats. According to the Registrar of Companies records of December 2020, Gokhale was appointed as the director of Anamitra Properties in October 2008. He has given ABIL Group email address in company records. When contacted, an official of ABIL said that Bhosle is currently out of station and unavailable for comment. Records show Gokhale filed for permission to sell 1,076 square feet apartment at Samta Cooperative Housing Society, Nariman Point, to Mehta for 5.33 crore. On October 1, 2020, the permission order was issued by Mumbai City Collector Rajiv Nivatkar, stating that a sum of rupees 16,80,400 had to be paid as per rules for the transfer. The order was also copied to the Secretary of Samta Cooperative Housing Society. The Samta Cooperative Housing Society was allotted the plot at a concessional rate by the government. The flat bought by Mehta was originally allotted to Justice Sharad Manohar on April 11, 1986. Records show that the flat was transferred from Justice Sharad Manohar to his son Ashish Manohar on September 2, 2001 and later to Gokhale on 25 June 2009. Gokhale then sold it to Mehta in October 2020 for Rs 5.33 crore. On July 7, the tax department issued a showcase notice to Anamitra Properties. In this notice, the tax department said that one of the shareholders of Anamitra Properties, Kamlesh Nathuni Singh, who holds 99% stake in the company, lives in a chawl in the western suburbs of Mumbai. The second shareholder, Dipesh Ravindra Singh, has shown an income of only Rs 1.71 lakh in his tax returns for assessment years 2020 and 2021. The notice does not name Gokhale. The tax notice said the name of the two shareholders of the company had been used by some unknown beneficial and real owners to buy the apartment. The IT department has provisionally attached the flat under the Prevention of Benami Properties Transaction Act. This essentially means that Mehta cannot create third-party rights till the attachment is lifted. Thank you. Please like and share this news and subscribe to our channel, The Bhopal News.